their lives over here in their playground where they can enjoy some of those tasty treats from Giselle over there as well as enjoy some of those treats. Alright, so without further ado, I will introduce another animal over here. Everyone just say hello to Ruby, and Ruby is stated that Ruby on one of wings and was recovering those bones fused and for everybody. Okay, so Ruby, don't be shy. One. Hello, he likes to say hello to everybody. Well done there. Cheese as you would like to. So, here comes the end of. I advise you to do so and line up along this side over here if you wish to take pictures with Ruby. Once again, thank you all so much for joining me here today. If you'd like to catch our presentation, alright, thank you all so much.